you drown. Till you drown. When I kiss your lips, till you drown. So weird. Till you drown. When I kiss your lips, I believe that's my heart and soul. Can I break your magic spell? I believe that's my heart and soul. No one, not for real. I believe that's my heart and soul. Can I break your magic spell? I believe that's my heart and soul. No one, not for real.
You don't understand what I've said. What I've said. You don't understand what I've said. understand what I've said. You don't understand what I've said. What I've said.
Nah, chat. What is this SG guy doing, man? Tell him to hurry up. He's definitely like munching a sandwich right now or some shit. Like, what the fuck? Mmm. Chat, who's here, man? Come and say hello. Right this instant. Otherwise, you might be banned. You might actually be banned if you don't say hi on the chat right now. Where's the energy, man? Where's the energy? More energy, more footwork. Chat. Should we start the stream? I think we should. $10 million. Ni hao? Ni hao is crazy. One sec, chat. I'll be back. And chat. In 3, 2, 1. What is popping, everybody? How are we doing? Welcome back to the stream. What's good? What's good? What's good? Strong Arrow, Joshua Woods, Eli, The Tsieva. Can't read that name. Low key, Mighty Meat. Who else is here, man? Who else is here? Dylan's here. Malenko. Hey Sam, why do you choose to trade at this particular time until NY stock market open? Pre-NY, I don't know, sometimes it's good. It's just a good time of the day for me to be trading as well, like schedule-wise. What's good though, chat? How has everyone's morning been? Hopefully you guys are doing well. I've got my little coffee here. And one of the best sandwiches Cyprus has to offer. Nummies. What's good? What's good? What's good? Boys, how's everyone been? Are you okay? Yeah, I'm chilling, bro. Why not? What's good? What's good? TRLS for life? Yeah, we've been killing it recently. Low key. Low key. Welcome back to the stream, so boys. It should be a big one today. It should be a big one today, low key. Got lots of stuff going on. What do we have? We got... Oh, wait. Let me just... This sandwich is way too good. Chat, you guys ever heard of nummies? If you guys haven't heard of nummies, this is definitely it. Unemployment claims less than an hour? Yeah, let's take a look. We have... Also, to answer your question earlier, Mr. Strong Arrow, that's why as well, we'll get on before news. Unemployment claims coming out here in approximately 50 minutes. As well as Empire State. This shit doesn't really matter as much. Unemployment claims is the main thing we're looking at here. Yeah, let's jump in a quick analysis. Happy New Year. Happy New Year, man. You look a little pale. What? Sorry. I'm actually very, very offended by that. But no, chat, let's see if we can get any positions here, man. We've got 15 minutes till the close. A lot of opportunity here. A lot of opportunity for us to get some positions right now. We don't have 15 minutes, do we? We have 20 minutes, my bad. Let's do a little analysis real quick. Wait, Zulu, you're just logging on 2 accounts? That's gangster right there. Bro's literally view-botting us. Alright, cool. Chat, by the way, we're going to run some mad events in the Discord. So make sure you jump in there, discord.gg/TRLS. Giveaways and all that type of shit as well. The TRLS Discord is popping right now. Low-key just clip farmed. Low-key just clip farmed a little bit. I'm making some vids, chat. You guys don't know. I'm sorry, man. I summoned SG to make up for it. Mad. All right. Chat, gold right here. Daily time frame. Bullish. I had buys down here yesterday. I'm going to cry about it. But anyway, we moved. We swept the low. These were the freest longs I've ever seen in my life. Daily swept the low. No top wick. Now flipping. Coming up towards the highs. I was announcing that like a... I swear I started to sound like a... You know, the horse races. Or like maybe an auction. Sorry if you feel offended. No, I'm joking, bro. It's probably the light, to be honest. But no, I feel good, man. Chat, I feel so good coming into the new year, low key. Like, after New Year, I quit smoking. I've been eating healthy. This sandwich is probably not the healthiest thing I've eaten this year, but there you are. Hitting the gym, doing my cardio. I feel fucking fire, chat, to be honest. I feel really good. But yeah, anyway, what was I saying? 4-hour closed bullish previously above the level. You do have like a resistance right here, which is a bit difficile. 2-hour. Yeah, you've got like a level right here that you're rejecting off of over and over. It's also there on the 1 hour, so we can take a look. But for right now, you're actually kind of in a new range here, chat. You could take buys up to tap into this level, but I would rather not do that. I'd rather wait for us to go ahead and close above. We've got hella levels here, chat. I might just plot like a billion lines on the chart. Here. And then down here. It's too many lines though, chat. Holy shit, it's giving me a bit of... Low-key, actually, you could fill up towards the next range. Doesn't look terrible. The 2 hour, you've got like an area here though. So I might mark this out because I think this is also on the 4 hour as well, right? Oh no, it's actually not. Yeah, but you did tap into that and reject, so maybe we'll wait for a closure above there now. I think that's smart, chat. I think that's smart. So yeah, we'll take buys above here or buys above... Oh, to be honest, let's just take it above this high I had earlier. Buys above 46.31 look decent. We'll take a look at NQ in a second as well. And then the buys can take us up towards like 639. Can be a BE point actually, or like a partial point. And then the highs will be what we look for, chat. Makes sense? Hopefully that makes sense. Let's get the engagement bait 10,000 on here. I'm pretty sad no one asked me what was in my sandwich. I was excited to share it with you guys, but you know what? Now you never know. Now you never know, man. It's so sad. From Zorpass, you know. Horse meat, yeah, maybe. What did you smoke? Dunhill? No, I was partial to a little Marlboro Gold back in the day. Back in the day being like not that long ago. No, actually, like a couple of months ago, I switched to like only IQOS because it was meant to be better. And then, yeah, I don't know. Anyway, it doesn't matter. I'm not telling you what's in my sandwich now. I told you, you lost your opportunity. Back in the day, 15 days ago. Yeah. Maybe. Bet it's pork? No, it's not. I'm not the biggest fan of pork. Only like barbecue pork. What would price action need to do for you to take a short trade? Oh, it's going to be a while before I take shorts. Probably like close below here or something and then start making structure. I don't want to take shorts. We're just ripping up. There's not really any need for me to go ahead and take shorts. Chat, let's do... It's ham. Green eggs and ham. Oh my god, NQ's been ripping all morning. Weekly flip on NQ maybe? So daily, 4 hour, everything bullish on NQ by the looks of things. Oh my god, I just clicked back to them. But yeah, you do have a level right here that we did just close above, which is kind of crazy. That should take you now, to be honest, up towards 25,917. The problem is you've pushed so far without a retracement. It gets very difficult to trade this, right? I'd want to see it retrace and then close above again. Although NQ being NQ, it could just run indefinitely. But yeah, so like if you can get some more confirmation, the buys up towards 25,917 look good. Problem is, yeah, stops and, you know, really not much liquidity. And then, yeah, chat, it's simple, right? We look for entry models and then a buy. It's very, very simple. Oh, let me go get my water. I'll be back in one sec. Water. Oh, chat, imagine if we make 10 mil right now. What's good, Mark? What do you guys know about spanakopita? I love it, bro. It's so good. My mum makes it. Ashley, you just sniffed? You are sick? Don't tell me I'm sick. I'm literally not sick. Like, not even slightly. I'm full of energy. Maybe I was just doing a fat line off camera. How's your day been? I'm good, bro. It's been very good. It's been very good. Low-key, this sandwich is slapping. All right, I will tell you guys what's in the sandwich because I want to. Chat. You go to this little place called Zorpas, right? It's not little. It's a fat chain in Cyprus. And you get... Wait, focus. Right, you get grilled chicken, double. They put double on, bro. And this big sesame bread, like it's like a big baguette. Then you get double chicken, you get halloumi, and then you get like regular cheese on top. Then they put it in the toaster, they squash it down like a motherfucker. Then you put the honey mustard on it. Oh, mate. It's just so good. And it's so high protein too. So, alright, sorry for caring. No, I just don't want to manifest it. But there we are. Fuck it, I'm getting a sandwich. Do you have Grigori? No. I mean, maybe, I don't know. I just put Caesar salad sauce. I never tried it, but the honey mustard's goated. Right, next person to say that I've got a cold is banned. Check, alright, wait. Where'd you put it, though? I don't see it. Oh, it's in trading chat. That's not trading, is it? Bro built a fucking fire resistance potion or whatever it is up here. Yeah, I like it. I like it. He's even got the pink flowers at the bottom. That's attention to detail right there. The beacon in the background. Respectable. Respectable build. Is it hardcore? Or is it like a server? I'll give you my pink flower. Crazy work. Survival server with people. These are all my builds. Fire. Yeah, Loki. I haven't played Minecraft in so long. If I had the time, I would love to do the little like 1 month long Minecraft binge thing, but I don't have time. 46.21 is slightly better at 42.2 on the 30. Check it out. If you're on the 30, it's going to be 24.5, right? You're looking at this to the left, 22.4. Yeah, but on the 1 hour, it's fine. Got 8 minutes chat to the 1 hour close. By the way, drop a like on the stream if you haven't already. You know when the sandwich is that good, you say after every bite. By the way, chat, look at this shit. Pass. Pass. Payout. Pass. What's going on, man? You guys are killing it. Wait, but hang on. There's a really weird... It's a really weird confluence between all these people sending in passes and payouts. What could it be? You see, because Dylan here has... Oh. Mentorship student. Oh, that's weird. Anyway. Ewan. Hang on. Mentorship student. Oh, that's weird. Hang on, Anil. TRLS Academy? Nah. No way. And so was Bill at some point. Oh, yeah, at some point. That's crazy, chat. That's crazy. It's OP. Is this the meta? Is it OP or am I tripping? I don't know. I don't really know what's going on. How come all the people that are in this guy's mentorship end up getting payouts and passes? Very weird. It really is the meta? Appreciate it, gang. Oh. What are you munching on? I literally just explained it like a minute ago on stream. Just drop it back. Drop it back a couple of minutes. What's a mentorship? How much do you charge for mentorship? It depends on the person, right? And the situation. I try and give like the most amount of help for the least price possible. If you do want to apply, the link is in chat right now. Gotta share some with the class over there. I'm not sharing shit, chat. Even my girl didn't get a bite of this one. That's how good it is. Even my girl didn't get a bite. That's when you know the food's good, when you start scrapping your missus over whether or not she can have a bite of it. Oh, go on, give me a bite. Get off. Then you just start. No, I'm joking. Allegedly. Uh-oh, bro's going to jail. That's like now, when I get famous, in like a couple of years' time, Piers Morgan or someone on fucking CNBC will play that clip back and go, wow, what do you think about this then? And they'll just try and expose me as this mass misogynist, which I am. Bro started spamming A's instead of W's. Nah, I appreciate that. Guys, day number 3 of the pass to payout challenge begins today. If I get a trade, I will be taking it on the challenge account. By the way, what I was thinking about doing, whatever. I want to do hella giveaways on stream, right? Like literally hella. There's some streamers that can do a giveaway a day, like multiple giveaways per stream per day, and that's how they grow. But the only reason they're able to do that is because people use their code. So if you want me to do more giveaways, you have to support me. Whenever you buy a funded account, use code TRLS. I'm talking to a few more prop firms and hopefully getting you some more discounts in the future. But yeah, just try use code TRLS whenever you can. Much love. 3 minutes to the closure. Always W. Top Step rarely offers discounts. Yeah, Top Step doesn't. They've only offered one since I knew them. But I like traded with them, whatever. Look at the 1 hour sky duel this morning. W, man. Yeah, these down here were so clean. I took these yesterday. What did I take last night? I took this. No. What did I take? I think I did take this, you know. Oh no, that was 3 a.m. UK. I think I took this. And then closed up here somewhere. Oh no, I took this. Alright, my bad. Yeah, this and then closed up here. Alright, that was a W close then. Holy shit. I was going to try hold it overnight, but fair play. What time frame is that? This is the 30-minute right now. It says up here. But the trade was valid on the 1 hour too. These down here were fucking clean. My bad, chat. Yeah, Dylan. The one at 606 here was nice. Like, really, really nice. What's good, Sam? Welcome to the chat. What a name, by the way. W to all the Sams in the chat. Probably the best name there ever has been. The greatest name. Oh. All right, chat. We're good to go now. I've had my food. I'm now raring and ready to go. We're going to make literally $10 million today. No joke. Because of that little feederoonie right there. Free bread. SG, I think I'm hooked to Wordle. You know what's mad, right? In the server, in the Discord server, I see people. That's not, surely not another member win. Surely not another member win, chat. I must be dreaming because that looks to me as if that's another TRS member getting a fucking funded account pass. But I just showed you like 10 of them. But that can't be another one, right? Oh, wait. Oh, wait, Gaz as well? What? Oh, a Dominus as well? Who? And Jimbo? Chat, I don't even know what's going on. There's no way that this guy's making all those people profitable. That can't be right. That can't be right. Hey, what's good, Jordy? My name's Sam. I made 82k since I joined TRLS. All right, screenshot it, post it on the Instagram, join my course. W gang. How you been, Jordy? You good? What were you hoping to see for the next trade? Lost 2,200 today, short in gold. Gang, realistically, why are you short in gold? Look at this, man. You can't short this. That's like currently longing the Iranian Rial, bro. You can't do this. I'm 2 trades from blowing eval. Can risk only 150. Need to make 1,500. Well, you don't need to make 1,500 right away, right? You can only risk $150. Why don't you risk 75 and make 75? Now you've got $200. Then you can risk 100 and now win that with a 1-to-1. Now you've got 300. Now you can risk 150 and now you've got 450. And then you just bring it slowly up like that, right? 1 to 3? 1 to friggin' 3? Holy frickin' 1 minute. Have a trailing stop loss? Alright, man. Each to their own. Get me another sandwich. You know it's mad when you're sad when the sandwich is finished. Literally upset when you finish the sandwich. G, can you reply on Discord? Yeah, I got you after stream. Bro, check my Discord. It's not just you. Like, look at all these DMs I've got down the side here. I just haven't had time to fucking check my messages. NQ closed above? Oh shit, that's the hourly close. I got distracted by talking about sandwiches, chat. No top wick though. I mean, barely a top wick. It probably rips, but... That's Bill left undelivered, come on. My bad, bro, I've been busy. What do you want me to do? Oh, it's a 2-hour close as well. That actually doesn't look bad on NQ. But again, I just don't... I really get scared to long stuff after we've had... How much have we ripped up here? Nearly 2,000 ticks. 430 points on NQ. Without a pullback, it's been... Hiccup, 273 points. That's ridiculous. You know what I mean, chat? By the way, the last 3 Asian sessions in a row, I've caught the bottom of gold and like either... Actually, yesterday I hit TP, so that was good. But 2 days before that, I got stopped. 1 stop loss and 1 BE. But it was like the exact bottom. So, just so you know, I can also bottom tick too. But I don't advise it. Low-key, I'm going to stop trading, like trying to catch... I don't say I was trying to catch reversals. I was trying to catch the bottom wick entry on the daily, which is cool, and it has played out, but also... Same guy that was saying there was no overextensions. I do agree that there's no such thing as being like overextended, right? Because like you could have realistically said that NQ was overextended here or here. Right? It could have been overextended here, anywhere. But what I do mean is, I don't want to be buying the high, right? If it's doing this, I don't want to buy now when it could then go like this first, stop us all out, and then run. You know what I mean? Like, but yeah, it could run a fucking 1,000 ticks more, right? It's possible. It's just, come on, man. You know what I mean? Gold looks good though, chat. If we can close back above here on the hour ski, I think we're looking good, chat. 70 people in here. Make sure to drop a like, subscribe. Silver has been super mega overextended, but it's still extending. Extendo Patronus. No, Patronum, whatever it is. I don't know. What's good, Bass? How's it going, man? Chat, 50 likes on the stream and we'll do a little giveaway. That's right. 50 likes by 2 p.m. for 50k giveaway. There we are. Chat, Master has given Dobby a sock, if you know what I mean. Think about that one. Sitting at 1.6 again on my Apex PAW, man. Explain your next setup. God, I need to just knock my coffee over. There's not really one at the minute, to be honest. Hourly closure back above 621 will be good. To be fair, NQ looks like it was going to run. It looks like it's going to run. I really want to wait for news now, chat. We got 25 minutes until news. We'll see how this 15 candle closes in 10 minutes. If the 15 candle looks good, we might take some in. Aggressive before news. Otherwise, we're going to have to wait till after news. Oh. Yeah. What is that voice and where does it come from? It was Dobby from Harry Potter. Almost broke even on what? Master has given Dobby a sock. Fire fucking films. Me and my girl have like, what a nerd, shut up. Me and my girl have like this tradition at Christmas. We always like watch all of the Harry Potters. It's fucking sick, mate. I can pretty much quote them all now. What's good, Dan? How's it going, man? All right, chat. 5 mil, please, right now. This instant. 3 take profits is the way, at least 2. What do you mean, like TP1, TP2? Yeah, I don't really believe in that. Harry Potter's fire. Goblet of fire. Gold? It's a sticky one. Gold's been very weird recently, to be honest. You have to wait for extra liquidity. I'm dropping a video tomorrow, chat, by the way. A fire-ass video. On, any of you guys have 9 to 5s? If yes, then the video is going to be literally a step-by-step guide for the next year on how you can quit it. And if you do it and quit within the year, I get, I don't know, you have to give me all of your earnings. Do we have a J word? No, don't say the J word, man. Not on stream, I'll get banned. That's the goal. Trust me. Trust me. I'm waiting for a Raw Talk vid. I'm going mental now. Yeah, I haven't dropped one in a while, actually. I need to do another one. I'll film another one. Chat. Friggin' Raw Talks. World Cup 2026. Oh, I can't wait for the World Cup, chat. I can't fucking wait. I love the World Cup. The Euros and the World Cup is the one time I really get into football. England are hands down going to win it. 0% chance we lose. We've won. We came second in the last 3 Euros. Malinka, that's crazy. It's definitely coming home. There's a 0% chance it doesn't come home. I've said this already. Bro, get back into football to watch his country lose for the 15th time in a row. I nearly just said the word. No, bro. We are... It's coming home, man. USA froze 75 countries from visa this week. World Cup gonna be funny. Yeah, I heard about that. How's that gonna work? Nah, surely they'll let them through. I don't think we're getting the Russian national team in there, though, low-key. Nah. Right. Look at this. The Portugal. I don't think Messi plays for Argentina anymore. I don't think. Or maybe I'm wrong. I don't think Ronaldo's playing for Portugal. Correct me if I'm wrong, but Spain will win it. Germany will absolutely crush it again. Yeah, low-key, I promise you, if England get knocked out, I'm supporting Germany. Oh, wait, how much is it? Isn't it like 4 bags for a ticket to the final? It's actually not that bad. Germany versus England final would be generational. Yeah, it would be. But honestly, fucking, it's ridiculous, man. We've come second in the last 2 Euros. Have you seen the French team? Yeah, but they said that last time and we beat them, no? Or did we lose to them? I think we beat them. And then we lost to Spain or some shit. I don't know. Where the fuck is England? When's our first game, man? Wait, our first game is against Croatia at the Dallas Stadium. Go Cowboys! England versus Germany or Argentina is, yeah, England, Argentina or England, Germany is always good. Easy win. I don't know. Croatia beat us in the finals last 2 years ago. When's our next game? Why is there such a big gap between games, bro? What's going on? And why is the first game Mexico, South Africa? Who wants to watch that? Anyway, England, Croatia. And then, wait, what day was that? Wednesday, the 17th of June. That's my dad's birthday. No, my mum's birthday. And then we're playing Ghana. Holy shit. Oh, it's only 5 days later. It's not bad. Wait, if we lose to Ghana, gotta go. Boss noticed. All right, fair play. Hi, boss. And then Panama at the New York, New Jersey Stadium. Netherlands are better. It's very untrue, isn't it? It's very, very untrue. Just hope that Turkey gets kicked out in the group stage. Why? You don't like Turkey? Harry Kane will bottle it as usual. I said this from day one. Last Euros, if we didn't start Harry Kane and we started someone like Ivan Toney instead, we would have won the Euros. He was fucking generationally whack. I think he was injured or something. Anyway, what are we looking at here? What's our team looking like? Oh, we haven't put it in yet, right? Why are they putting all these ones on, man? These are in the archives, just us getting plotted by everyone. Calvert-Lewin should be starting. He played for the boys, for Northampton. Smack team. Can't just put the best striker in the world on the bench. He's not the best striker in the world, and he was injured. And he was shit the rest of the games. Who a yid? Mad. Mad. Love the Q4. It was fire. Q4 was actually sick. Oh my god. Can't even see him, chat. I got a hoodie on, but I just promised they're fucking enormous. Maguire up top would low-key be fire. Why don't we just sign like Messi or someone? Best striker in the world is ridiculous. Yeah. Who would you say is better than Kane though? Other than like, I don't know, a couple of other people. Anyone know why my TradeAvate is frozen while the same account from TradingView is fine? I don't know. TradeAvate is shit, to be honest. Pretty whack. Wait. TRLS challenge. There you are. That's the right account. Chat, this is the account we're going to be ripping today. If we get a position. We're up 760 on the challenge account. Only $2,300 to go till we pass. That's a long way. Crazy bro. Crazy lock-in, bro, on the Q4 videos. Yeah, I actually really fucking enjoyed that. That series was so good. Yeah, by the way, if you guys do want to go ahead and join the series, I'm taking I said this yesterday, right? But I'm taking a funded account from a fresh funded account to a past account, then to a payout inside my Discord completely for free. If you do want to join the Discord link in the chat right now, and then click here, and then click this little button right here, and then you'll get the signals. Pretty cool. Pretty cool. So basically free bread for you guys. How do I enter the giveaway? You will be automatically entered if you're in the Discord and in chat, which you are both. So you are fine. Do not fear. Never fear. SG is here. Chat, I got a new profile picture on Instagram, by the way. Let me know what you guys think. I think it's pretty cool. Look at this guy, bro. He's actually fresh with the grills. Grills and the AP. Too cold. Brother, how are you? Did you trade during stream today? What's good, man? Not yet, bro. We pretty much just started stream, so you joined at a good time. Pretty cool. Well. How original. That is quite original. 21 likes with 70 views is mad. Yeah, chat, there's no way we're on 20 likes, right? Otherwise, you guys are all getting beaten up. I'm literally giving away. I'm going to stop doing giveaways. Like, unironically, I'm going to stop doing giveaways because you guys don't even drop a like for the giveaway. So what's the point? Serious. Serious, man. What's good, Joshua? How's it going, man? Yo, Tren, what's poppin', bro? I gotta stop doing this American accent. I fucking hate American accents. But it's so fun to do. Was cooking good looking? Oh. Pretty sweet, man. I want to give away in December and you still didn't reply? Yeah, bro, I'm waiting for my guy from Apex to give me codes so I can send them to you. Let me chase him up. SG reminds me of Scrappy Doo. Yeah. The education's... What's good, Tony? The education's priceless? Yes, sir. What about the level at 4614.4? This one here. Maybe. Tell him to donate to all Joshes on stream. We need the codes. Nah. Millwall. Oh, chat. Yeah, maybe. Look, it's bouncing off it a little bit, but I can't take buys or sells off of it. It's just a previous high being retested. Oh, chat, I think it might be leg day today at the gym, you know. I don't really want to train legs. I don't really like training legs. In fact, I'll take it a little bit further. I hate training legs so much. It's so friggin' annoying. Just done legs. What do you do? Barbell squats, leg press, leg extensions, hamstring curls, calves, maybe adductors, and that's it. Did you take your creatine today? No. I don't have any left. One thing I did start doing though is drinking electrolytes whilst training, and it's so fucking good. All of the above? Nice. L mentality, love the grind. The grind's fun when you just start training. How do electrolytes help with trading? They don't help with trading. Training. Did I say trading? Had a good trade earlier today. What did you catch, Danny? Chat, see? What did I say about liquidity? We needed to come down and grab it. We've got news here in 10 minutes, chat. Comics open in 1 minute. Yeah, your mind is cooked. Your mind's cooked. I got this pre-workout called War Juice. What's good, Matthew, by the way? It has vitamins, electrolytes, and creatine all in one. Would recommend. War Juice, you know. Standard pre-workout name. I've had some crazy pre-workouts with different names as well. I'll look into it. I've pretty much cracked pre-workout. Like I went to the dark side with I used to have this pre-workout that was like technically illegal, you know, like illegal to sell because it had like banned compounds and shit in it, like DMAA and shit like that. Which one's goated? Pre-workout. One of the best pre-workouts I ever had was. Oh fuck. I'm not gonna remember the name now. I'm gonna have to look through my phone. For like a lighter one, which isn't really that light, I used to like there's one called like by Naughty Boy. I think it's called like Chaos or something. This is what I used to take like day to day for like a regular workout. It's still quite strong, to be honest. This one. No, it's this one. It's like the Menace. Yeah, Menace. Bro, that shit is so good. I think it's also got DMA in it, or DMHA, which is good. But yeah. And then... there was one, bro, that was just insane. I can't remember though. Everyone who was in the Discord this morning caught the buys, really? Danny, Bay, Stefan, me. W. DMA is so bad. Yeah, but it's fucking sick. Who's it by? Can you look? No, I'm not gonna look into the camera and say that. You're not gonna get me anymore, chat. I'm on high alert now from what you guys have been fucking your shenanigans. No, that's good though that everyone in the Discord caught those buys. That's huge. So basically being in the free Discord and like, you know, you guys helping each other out meant that you all made money. Crazy, right? Sam, do you like taking counter trend trades like a Sky Dweller for sales here? No, definitely not. I mean, you can, but I don't like it. Like yesterday, they printed on NQ, bro. Like we had the Sky Dweller yesterday on NQ here, counter trend as well, and it just went just all the way down almost immediately, which is kind of sad. But there you go. TGR is live and betting on us striking Iran. Cold. That's good content. I wonder why he's pushing this betting site so much. Could it be that he's getting paid a shitload of money to do? Consider it. You guys gonna lose money. Nah, I'm not listening to that clip, Mark. I know what it is. What type of trader do you consider it yourself? Swing? Nah, definitely not swing. Like intraday, scalping, bit of a combination. Average trade duration is like 5 to 10 minutes, so it's definitely not long. Yeah, but chat, the thing is, right, quickly about like Polymarket and these gambling sites, the reason they fucking get paid so much to promote it, these influencers, is because they know for a fact regular people are gonna deposit and lose their fucking life savings. So sad. Although, Stake or Polymarket, if you're watching this, someone on my lens, hit me up. Joking. It's a cruel world for real. Nah, actually, it's low-key. Maybe it's this 15 closes. Nah, wait, we've got news in 5 minutes. Let me hold my horses real quick. Sleepy beepies, chat. I was hoping for code TRS, imagine. Explain Polymarket, please. Ja, it's a prediction market site. So you can, it's basically you can bet on anything, but it's also like trading. So I don't really want to promote it. I would load it up, but I don't want to promote it. You can bet on the probability that, yeah, Trump nukes Iran, or the probability that anything, literally anything, anyone can start a market as long as you put liquidity into it. It works a bit like a crypto coin. Like, so the market will fluctuate. You can also, some people say they scalp the market, but I don't think that's actually profitable. For example, like if the probability right now of Trump nuking Iran is 50%, you can buy, yes, that he will strike Iran for 50 cents per unit. And then if it goes up to like 70% chance that he will, or if he does, it'll be 100% because he has done it, and you get paid out 2 to 1. But if it goes up to like 75%, you can also like sell your position and like scalp the market. So it's kind of like sports betting, jar, yeah, but it also is like it's like a market, just like gold or something like that. The market will go up and down based on the demand. It's quite an interesting concept. I'll give it to them. For example, last year, not last year, whenever the election was, I bet on Kamala Harris to win the election. Lost to like 300 quid. I think it's banned in the UK. All of that shit is like Stake is, and I think Polymarket too, yeah. What? What do you mean what? Why would you bet on Kamala, bro? I thought that they were going to rig the election. That was my bet. I was basically betting on the fact that they would rig the election, which maybe they still did, but it was also pretty good odds. Like, I think I got like 30% or something. South Africa dropped like 4 million USD on gambling. What? What do you mean, the country? Oh, how did that work? They dropped it how? Like the government was gambling or what? Odds were good because she wasn't going to win? Alright, mate. Fucking hell. No need to shit on my bet, Mr. Meat. Actually, it was quite 50-50 back in the day. Like, before the election, in hindsight, it's super easy to say, like, yeah, Trump was obviously going to win. But it was actually quite even up until, like, the end of the election. I think Kamala lost it with some shit she did. I can't remember what she did, but there was something that happened. Like, people in the country spend more on gambling than anything else? Mad. I mean, that makes sense. Gambling's huge in, like, Cyprus as well. Because you can get steak in Cyprus. I see so many people gambling. At the haircut the other day, one of my boys was showing me, like, this win that he'd had on steak. And I was like, nah, what the fuck? I'm going to say 4 mil does sound low for a whole country. Yeah, Cypriots are big time gamblers. I agree. The Israelis are even worse, bro. When you go to the City of Dreams, it's full of Israelis. Like, literally every single person you speak to is, where are you from? Oh, Israel. Me and Tom developed a system, right? We developed a system where we would only gamble on a table that had at least 2 Israelis on it. Bonus points if it was like an old Israeli man. So you go to the blackjack table, you ask around quickly. Oh, where's everyone from, by the way? Oh, nah, you're from Cyprus, you're from like Poland, you're from the UK. Oh, no, it's okay. You go to a different table. I jumped on a table. I swear to God, I was the only non-Israeli there. And I made like 500 squids. They can just... Oh, this table's got money. So they go to this one, right? That's just how it works. And if you follow them, you make bread. Very simple. It's the method. Yeah, we are ripping down. 50 seconds till news here. I hated it when I showed up. What's good, Mervs? I'm actually unironically profitable at the casino. And since I've been to Cyprus, actually all time. Because I only went to this casino a couple of times in the UK. Not very often at all. But and then in Monaco, I was profitable as well. And in Cyprus, I'm profitable. So low-key, all time, I've made money at casinos. Which not many people can say. Probably not much. Like maybe only a grand or two, but still. Alright, chat. What do we think news is going to do? By the way, click 1 for up, 2 for down. Quick. Quick. It's probably a bit too late, low-key. Oh. You guys could have all just put 2, by the way, because it's going down. But how did it come out? Hasn't. Pending. Come on. You trade gold or NQ for news? It really depends on how I feel. Like, if I wanted to port it, then probably NQ. Oh. We're starting to make some movements. Is NQ doing anything? NQ's doing literally nothing. I just opened up Notion. I didn't want to you open a trade? No. What's good, Alex? But no. Closer. Come on. Why has the news not come out yet? We are ripping down a bit there. Low Kizzy. Pending still, bro. Am I tripping? Is this... Has the news just not come out? Imagine. We are ripping down now, though. Swept London lows. Okay, it came out finally. 198k, so better than expected, which is actually bad for gold, which is probably why gold's pushing down. That definitely came out earlier, too. Refresh. Nah, it wasn't. Chat, maybe now that we swept the lows, right, we can get like a bullish closure up here. Sky Dwellskis take us up towards previous highs. I believe they're called internal highs if you're an ICT trader. Target these internal highs. Shut up. It's just a fucking higher low, mate. Why do they have to make everything way more complicated than it actually needs to be? Yeah, we got external highs, internal highs. Blood. It's just a resistance level, or it's just a higher high, or it's just market structure, man. For fuck's sake. Doesn't need to be this crazy babazy thing. Yeah, I'm gonna make it very difficult just because fuck it. General chat. Jobless claims. I love that they call it jobless claims. That's so funny. You guys are all jobless individuals, by the way. Some of you guys need jobs, though. Get a job. Yeah, we are ripping down right now. I work hard, young lady. Young lady is crazy work, to be truly honest. Can we get a position? Can't believe Bambi had 2 Christmases. Fuck's sakes! You excited for my speech when I go full time on Discord? Amber, that hurt? What hurt? Oh, the job thing, yeah, mad. Gold, head and shoulders. Nah, you gotta think about the knees and toes again, though. You keep forgetting the knees and toes, man. Sam, do you know the ad where Michael Bublé, where he says, get a job? Please watch it. I haven't seen it. Some of you for real need a job? Nah, some people do need jobs, though. Get a job. Think about it, right? Who's gonna flip the burgers? Nah, if no one had a job, then everyone would be cooked, all right? Oh, wait, there is more clips. Nice! SG is my moon pie. You are my cupcake. Did it come out bearish? No. We're pretty bullish right now. That's why we're absolutely ripping down. Casual J word drop is out of order, mate. Yeah, apologies, actually. That is my bad. Do you mark your buys and sells? No, 1 hour. If this candle flips, chat, we're going to make $4 billion. Actually, you're hiding anything from us? What? What would I be hiding? Or you mean just anything in general? It's my 4th day with no J word and I'm fucking loving it? Yeah, I bet. I think gold does whatever it wants. You are complete. Yeah, you are right. Even if it came out bullish, it could have just done that. We have equal lows. Is that what that means? EQLs? Yeah. Well, this is currently untradeable, but if this does flip, chat, we will be very, very nice for a nice little position. But I want it to flip now. Oh, my bad. It was $1 million. Majestic our voice. I'm telling you, I've got some pipes here, man. I've got some serious vocal ability. Put a magnet under it. Oh, smart, actually. Under it. Nah, we need a magnet above it. Or you can go for... Chat, you guys have never seen this one before. You guys know what never fails. Thing that never, ever fails, chat. The Jew star strategy. Alright? The money always goes to where the Jews are. So you put this on the chart. You can combine it with the more traditional ones, you know, like the magnet and the rocket and that, if you want. It's for like an extra bonus. We'll put the rocket down here, ready for liftoff. And it's 100% win rate proven strategy. It will work if you trust it and put the Jew star up here. The money always runs to them. I'm serious. Banned. Shadow Wizard Money Gang, nahuy. Clip it for IG? I did. Please say someone's seen that video of those Russians saying that shit. I think that's so funny. I sent it to my girl who's Russian. She did not find it funny whatsoever. I thought it was quite funny. Shadow Wizard Money Gang. I'll find it, don't worry. This week's loads at 585, just port everything. Yeah, and then reject. Well, I don't know what the original one from that is, the Shadow Wizard Money Gang thing. Bro, is it this one? Yeah. I was crying at this when I first saw it.
Trapaholic, suka. Trapaholic.
I don't know why it's funny.
This is certified hood classic, блять. Shadow Wizard Money Gang, нахуй.
I don't know why I found that so fucking funny. Anyway, we move. Where is Tom with that? Well, if you look at the -4 on the standard div.
Well, actually, there's an inverse OTE here, and if you look at the extended Fibonacci penis muncher, you can see we have a rejection block sitting right above. Yeah, alright, mate.
I hope bro's not in chat. Chat, no one tell him. It's just getting ridiculous at this point. It is just getting ridiculous at this point, though. That's so Tom. That is so Tom. That's just typical Tom. Doesn't look like we're rejecting chat. In fact, it looks like we're making structure to continue further down, which we don't want to see. Oh, the NQ buys played out as well. Suka. Yeah, not good. Still some potential here though, chat. We don't even have NYSE open yet. We got time. We got time. Don't you worry. Don't worry. Come on. I'm gonna start backing out the Russian on stream, chat. I don't really know much Russian. I know a few words, but that's about it. You got another level here, chat, that we can take a look at for a rejection. It's about to tap into 593. I think he goes to Asia lows maybe and then comes back up. Thing is, right now you got like the daily flipping. Well, not flipping, but like it didn't flip basically. You have it's re-breaking previous day low, which is interesting to me. I don't know why it would need to do that for liquidity, but there we go. It does seem like it's... I mean, either we're going to consolidate between these two areas, which I think is a very big possibility, right? A very, very big possibility. You might just start to consolidate between here and here. Low-key, I'm gonna try that out later, see if it works. You wait for a sweep down here, take a buy up to these highs, and then you just take a sell back down, and then you take a buy. That might be the meta, chat. We might have just found the new secret all-time high consolidation range source. Why has no one ever thought of this before? I'm not reading that out. I'm not reading that out. I don't know what that means, but it doesn't sound good. Chat, look at my levels. Look at how well they react. Every single time you have these bottom tickers talking about standard deviation, the -4 OTE. Bro, I just drew a fucking line on the chart based off of previous rejection areas, and it just tapped into it on the absolute dot and then rejected. It's really that simple. Just get good at drawing support and resistance levels, and it's infinitely easier to spot rejections. And it's so, so simple. Look at that, on the dot, yet again. We do this every day. Told you at the start of the stream, I don't think we're getting anything today. Yeah, well, you just jinxed the whole stream, meat. Thank you. The reason we're not getting anything is literally all your fault. I'm serious. Yeah, 5 minute does look good here, chat. Very good. You'd need to flip and close bullish there. I can have a little dance whilst we wait. Little dancey poo. Professional trader, by the way. Bro's just got... Yeah, I'm not sure. 2-3 years Dagestan? Send him 2-3 years Dagestan and forget. Low-key, my kid's going to Dagestan and forget. My kid's going to be like mad multinational. I just thought about this. Not from me, but from my girl's side. Multiple Chinese aircraft enter closed Iranian airspace. Cold. That's always good to read. I thought that said Dagestani beers then. I was like, I don't think they have them, low-key. What, best dance sent to the Discord wins a giveaway? Imagine. Chat, drop some likes on the stream, man. Really appreciate it. Let's get to 50 likes. Like I said, if we get to 50 likes, I will do a giveaway. If not, I'm never doing a giveaway ever again. Are we about to see, I reckon, wait, honestly, what does it say on Polymarket? We're gonna have to load it up. Iran strike. I honestly, they're probably gonna strike Iran. Oh. There's also apparently a meta on Polymarket that people are doing where you buy just before it closes. So like, for example, you would buy for, I don't know, Trump to strike Iran today, but at like a minute to midnight, you buy with like 100K or whatever, and you make like 1K back guaranteed. Stats went down 6% last night. Yeah, true. 6%. Oh my God, chat, we're ripping. We're ripping, man. We're literally ripping down. Should we just FOMO into some sells? Because I know you guys are like... I know you guys want to trade, so we just FOMO. Or you know what we could do, chat? We could pull out the old hindsight position. Oh my God, chat. Wait, I'm closing full right now. What a W, Sky Dweller. W, man. What a position. How's past the payout going? We're up $700 on the account right now. We haven't had a trade for the past, or yesterday we didn't have a trade, and today's just began obviously, but up $700. Nothing crazy, but we move. I'm taking this one slow, right? I would just full port it if it was me, but I don't want to full port because I know other people will have accounts. But then maybe they can only buy like one account for this challenge and shit. Mad. All right. Are you using a 50k account challenge? Yeah, I am. Yeah. I will do today. No FOMO, pullback, retest, enter. I still don't want to take sells. I'm not even being funny. I still don't really want to take them. I genuinely think the daily flips today at some point. If the daily flips today, or actually all it would really take is Trump to fucking drop a bomb or something, and then it's game over. You know what I mean? Like if Trump ended up going ahead and striking somewhere, it really would be like gold to 5k. What if I just drop the mega weapon on you guys? The tripod ray gun. It's just... Nah, I definitely didn't drop that. I definitely did not drop that, chat. Definitely not an L. I lost no aura, don't worry. I lost no aura from that. I maintained my aura points somehow. Oh, I've actually got a get out of aura jail free card, which is sick. So all of the aura that I just lost on that has been retained. Are we going to sweep daily low? Daily support? SG, what was trading like before Trump? Fucking sick. Biden times was great. Biden trading was unreal. Because you just had predictable markets. Like he literally did fuck all for the entire 4 years. Other than like, I don't know, give men the ability to go into women's bathrooms and shit. That doesn't really affect the market, low key. Unless it's like the... Alright, I'm going to stop myself there. 15 minute, by the way, closed bearish. You've now... Did you sweep the low? Oh my god. Did you just equal low it? You didn't quite sweep the low of day. But the game very, very close. Very, very close. Yes, sir. Very close. I would have really loved if we just swept that then. If we swept that and closed bullish on the 15, I'd be porting buys right now. Widowy. But we didn't actually sweep it. W Biden. Yeah, on GCG. GCG. Oh, just GC. Yeah. Did it? Yeah, how weird is that shit, actually? How weird is that shit? It did sweep it on... Does it really matter? Yeah, because the orders sometimes like will be resting below, right? That's the whole point of the sweep. But that is actually low-key mad that it swept on GC but not on MGC. Chat, we have 9 minutes till an hourly close here. Maybe we can get... We're not... Oh, if we get a 30 bullish close, that's crazy. Maybe the 15 can close bullish here. We can take a look at some nice little buys upwards. I'll be back in 1 sec. Oh, chat, this could be good. This could be friggin' nice. If I made a little sky dollar, Not really. Kind of didn't close bullish, to be truly honest. Yeah. We'll wait for this 15 close, chat, see what happens. It looks clean though. I'm not gonna lie, it does look clean. Problem is we're quite heavily bearish, so you are kind of trading against the bias, which is not really what you want to go ahead and do. What? Thoughts on ICC? Oh, ICC. The guy's a scammer. Like, anyone who thinks trades by size legit is, in my opinion, very stupid. No offense if you do. But like, it's fucking ridiculous, bro. If we close bullish on the 15, I think we could take buys without waiting for a bottom wick. Yeah, I agree. Hopefully, we're looking to target like an hourly, and the 30-minute won't flip. Oh, the hourly won't flip either. Oh. If it had done this at the start of the hourly, that'd be so good. Holy guacamoles, chat. Lock it in here. We got 6 minutes till we get a position, potentially. You could have potentially taken it off the flip. That would have been like mega aggressive, though. Like, properly aggro. Wick entry, maybe flip or maybe break of the highs for entry. If it closes like this, we can just take one off the rip. Won't it still be a bit aggro? Yeah, it definitely will be aggro. It'll be an eval trade for sure, because it's, again, against the bias, right? But I'm also looking at the fact this has been such a strong support in the past. I just... 4 hour... Oh, yeah, come on, son. 2 hour... 1 hour... The only thing I'm thinking, do you need to come further down first? I don't think necessarily you do, though. Problem is, yeah, structure's bearish. I would have thought also, now that you swept daily low, right? Like, you should see a fucking pretty big reaction off of it. Which you have, to be fair, 100 ticks, but like... 5 close kind of weak. Is this just a retest? I don't know, chat. Let's see what this close says. One hour chart has triple doji on the 459. It seems decently strong. I'm waiting for the buyers to give up on their higher time frame to take sales below. Caught buys at 83 was stressful, bro. Yeah, that 83. It didn't even tap 83. What do you mean? Or do you mean on maybe you mean on Forex? What's good, FNAM? How's it going, bro? Welcome back. Might move tomorrow after Nufpa. Yeah, Nufpa. Oh, chat. Wittily. I just wittily top tick the market right now. Wittily. Tis time, chat. Tis time for the top tick of top ticks. Yeah, we're pushing back down. That would have needed to be the move, you know. If we were going to reject, that would have been like, that would have had to be it. Why is your Indian so handsome? You mean handsome? And what do you mean my Indian? Oh, do you mean my impression or what? Chat, should we take sells? No. What's NQ doing? Oh, it filled the range. What point do you think is a good idea to start copy trading accounts? When you have some accounts spare, when you feel confident, you've had a few payouts already, so you could go ahead. Just don't let it affect your mentality, right? I would say also, if it's working right now and you're getting payouts, then there's no real need to change it. Unless you have an Indian stuck in your boot. Nah, not yet. Mark my words, we are sweeping the low we just made in the daily low and pushing back up. Mark your words. And you're called Mark. Coincidence? I don't know. I don't think so. Chat, should we... I reckon I'll call it a stream if we don't get anything here. What? The January started off with the wackiest PA ever. I don't know why. Just decided to be really shit in terms of PA. Funny SG, really funny. I know, thank you. I do pride myself on my ability to crack unbelievably witty jokes. If I'm ever in Cyprus, can I DM you on the gram to meet for Bezos, Zins, and trade talks? Potentially. You can always DM me. Whether I'll be there or not is a different story, right? Wait for a 4-hour closure at 10 AM. Let's catch a banger today. Banger. 4-hour closure is in another hour. Now, because I have to stream with a private group for New York and for NYSE Open. Not have to, but I will do that. I always do that. Is 4577.7 a decent support level 2? What time frame? But here, you're looking on the 30 maybe. 78.1 around there, yeah. On the 30, on the hourly, it's like I would look at like 79.9. Problem is you don't have much history here though. As I said, we're in the middle of I don't know how many fucking wars right now. That's why it's so weird, especially this week. Yeah, did we sweep out Asia lows? Yeah, we swept daily lows technically. I mean, no, not really. You came very close. I think we'll try it again though, by the looks of things. The hourly is going to close below. I mean, technically you could do this, right? And just say we tapped into another level here. Which is also possible. Looks like them buyers were all trying to get entries below 4,600 the past couple of days. What did we do on the 15? 15 closed bearish, chat. It looks like we might want to come down for what is known as the resweep. Like, that's basically like when you try and be nice and sweep up the house and your girl comes home and she's like, you didn't sweep properly, and then she re-sweeps it. That's what's about to happen right now, chat, I think. You mark out support resistance levels, candle closures, not wicks? Yeah, closures always, not wicks. You always say such relatable things, bro. I know, I'm literally the GOAT. Check NQ. Sky Dwelly. I'm off. See you in the academy. Alright, man. Bit abrupt, but fine. Look at that Rejeki, man. Oh, it's gonna look like an inverted head and shoulders. Knees and toes, knees and toes. Bro's got personal experience. Nah, that's cap. I've never swept the house ever. Like, I'm not even joking. That's a female job. I will dabble in some cooking every now and again, but most of all of that shit's done by my missus. In return, she gets to drive my €100,000 car. Gets to live for free. Pretty fair trade. Cheers, Trent. Keep well. All right, man. In a bit. Chat, by the way, if you guys haven't already, make sure you join the free Discord. It's very important that you do that. We're doing loads of shit in there. Giveaways. We're going to do a community event maybe this weekend. I don't know what it's going to be. Rocket League tournament or chess tournament. No, not chess. Poker tournament. Going to do Clash Royale, but apparently, according to Tom, no one trades it anymore. No one plays it anymore. Also, if you guys want to do, if you do want to trade live with me for the PM session and for NYSE, you can join the TRLS Academy, right? It's my private group. You also get the full free course, not free course, the full course with your access to that as well. It's like a package deal. It's pretty sick. 6-7 viewers right now. If we sweep your house, we get to drive your SVR. Interesting. No. Group Rocket League is tough. A tourney would be low-key fire. I'm too cracked at chess. 248 elo. Mad. 248 is crazy. The lower, the better, right? That's what I heard. Chat, we flipped here. Mr. Flipperoons. Not the El Flipperunio. Yeah, I'm so wank now. Fortnite scrims? Fucking hell. Fortnite scrims is crazy. Scrimming on Fortnite is the most... Chat, we are ripping up right now. Fuck's sakes. Fuck's sakes. Chat, it's tough in these streets, I'm not gonna lie. It's tough out here living on the streets of Limassol. Minesweeper tournament? Crazy work. Trading view scrims is meta. Loki, there is a trading view. Like, I think FX Replay have it. You can play against each other. Almost hit my BE, lol. 7 pips away. Crazy. That's really, really crazy. I think this fills up towards the top of the range now. But I also think there's no real entry because you didn't even sweep the low again. Which makes it quite difficult. Yeah. Very, very tough, chat. Very, very tough. 5-minute closing above most recent, though, by the looks of things. Let's look at the 1 minute. Oof. 1 minute rejeckies. You need it to close above these highs, really. Which it didn't do, right? Not the 5-minute bottom wick first. Devious work from the 5-minute here, chat. Absolutely unreal work from that 5-minute. Is this now going to flip and fill the range? Probably. Oh, it actually doesn't look bad. Chat, should we try an eval buy? Wait, let me see what stops. I wanted it to sweep this low though. You got rejection points here and here. Nah, we can't. Yeah, let's wait for like the 15 then. If we're gonna get anything, let's wait for a 15. Let's do it properly, chat. There's no point risking anything. Giveaway, maybe? Maybe. Oh, fuck, I got a missed call. All right, cool. This could also consolidate for a bit, even though we swept a shit ton of liquidity. Yeah, it could. It could. The 5 did flip though. Sorry, I had to send a text. 4 hour expected. Yeah, this might be the rip skis chat. We need some confirmation though. Either like structure breaks on the lower time frames, 5-minute close, 15-minute close. There's also like some strong 15-minute rejection areas here, which is kind of difficult. So we gotta wait, chat. Let's just see how the 15 closes. Maybe we can get something after the 15. Otherwise, if not, I'm probably done. It does look like it wants to pop though, to be honest. Like, it is very tempting. I think we'll wait though. Like I said. I mean, no, not I think. We will wait. Watch this now run before we get an entry. Cold. Always the way, right? One minute pushing up. Yeah, chat. Why did you decide not to take the 5-minute flip? I just want some more confirmation, man. Like, I want to wait for some very, like, I mean, look, we're trading against the bias right now. If you take this position, you are trading technically against market structure because we are bearish. So you need to wait for some strong confirmation. If we would have swept this low down here, like, if we definitely would have swept the previous day low, current day low, we'd be in this right now. But it didn't sweep the liquidity for me, which is sort of not a good sign, right? All right, I'm out in a bit, man. Yeah, if we would have swept that, I would have been in there, definitely. We swept on Forex. I can't go off another chart though. What's good, D? How you doing, man? I can't really go off another chart. You know what I mean? Like, I'm trading futures, so it's like, yeah, but it would have been good if we did actually sweep. Grrr. Maybe we get a nice 15 close and we can grab something off of that. You also don't want to FOMO now because it's fucking ran quite far. It's like 200 ticks. Oh my days, chat, it's ripping. It's ripping. 5 did close bullish engulfing though, which is kind of cool. So if you took that trade based off of that, then it's a W, I guess. Filled the range? Yeah, not quite. Nearly though, you are right. You also got like 15-minute rejection areas like right here. This level over and over is like quite a strong rejection. It was the wrong PE though. Finally back at 50k. I entered at the flip of the 5-minute. Nice. Just entered 75% of my daily limit on an eval. What does that mean? Oh, I 75% ported the 5. W. Yeah, I'm debating whether to copy trade my evals at this point. I like trading them individually though. Stay disciplined, didn't take anything, traded a bit shit yesterday, so I don't want to get back into FOMOing. Smart. I'm done to the next Audi now, I can't lie. See if we can grab a nice bottom wick and close above the level here. Yeah, fair play. Fair play. Chat, sometimes you get the move, sometimes you don't, right? I'm going to watch this 15, though. If this 15 can pull back a little bit, we might take the buys. Especially if you get like a nice bottom wick here. Current 5 has no bottom wick as well. Otherwise, chat, we'll call it a day, right? $15 Sky Dweller? Yeah, basically. Sky Dweller Rooney, short for Sky Dweller. I'm not sure bro knows what short for means, but there we go. Bro, skiing opened up in Cyprus. I might have to go. Might have to go. I low-key miss skiing. 2 minutes, chat. Open up here too? Nice. Snows in Cyprus? On the mountain, yeah. So it's still hot where I live, but on the mountains it snows. It's pretty crazy. I might go up on the weekend and take the most aura pictures with the SDR ever. Literally just infinite aura, chat. Like, I think you'd have to fucking take my order away. My aura away, sorry. You'd have to confiscate some of it, chat, just to make it fair for everyone else. You know, like how they have anti-monopoly laws? So, like, you can't... Stuff like Apple and shit can't be a complete monopoly. I'd literally have an aura monopoly at that point. Chat, 1 minute to the close here. Look, you want to learn a sport? Go boxing or some shit, bro. That's what I'm going to do this year as well. I'm definitely going to go learn, like, combat sport. Fucking fuck anyone up that comes and tries to steal my funded accounts. And it's going to close no top wick, chat. Pull back. Pull back. Holy shit. W close. What the helly? What the actual helionte, chat? Well, that's game over, right? I'm not trading this shit now. That is game over. That is a fucking horrible closure, chat. We move. We friggin' move, man. Yeah. All right, chat. Let's start the GeoGuessr and we'll call it a day. We'll call it a fucking day because I can't trade this, unfortunately. I just can't trade it. Will it stick on the 30-minute? Maybe. I'll be in the TRLS Academy, though. All right, I'll be in the private group in the Discord. Chat, if you do want to join the free Discord, jump in there, discord.gg/TRLS. W Discipline, yes, sir. Those longs were pretty nice, though, but it just didn't form correctly for me. So, all right, let's start it up, chat. Oh, wait. Nah, wait, what's it done? Chat's nerfed me at the door. I didn't want to see it, to be fair. Like, I didn't even want to see it. That's good. Can't even see the map as well. Imagine I get this shit now. Oh, no, no chance. That's really good, actually. That is actually fucking sick. Chat, what am I meant to do with that one? All right, we're back. I mean, that doesn't really even help. Load. All right, okay, thank you. Somewhere like this, maybe. Oh, it could be actually. I was gonna say Bulgaria. Chat, you saw me put my pin right here, right? Like, you saw that, right? I literally put the pin right there. I would have been literally so close. Why did it do that? Why is it not giving me the guesses? Honestly, I might rage quit. If anything else happens, I'm rage quitting 100%. Yeah, that other name was crazy. I promise you I'm going to rage quit. Yeah. Oh my god, I can't see shit. Why should I know this one? Where is that? South of France. I know. Yeah. This is the worst year of all time. It's unplayable, chat. I may as well be on 5. I thought it was Cyprus. Nah. Bro, I may as well be on 4 billion ping. Fucking genuinely, Helen Keller would have a better chance of winning this game than me right now. Where are the islands? Why are they not popping up? Ah. Oh. Yeah, I'm actually done. I'm rage quitting. Low-key, I literally fucking put it right next to that as well. I don't ever get mad, but this is actually making me mad. I'm actually quitting. I've rage quit, chat. Fuck that. This game's bullshit. I'm done. Whoever won. Fucking hell. Chat, that's the stream. Oh. Alright. Fuck. Milenko, if you put another L, you're banned. Yeah, you're all banned. Chat. I'm joking, by the way. I'm not that vexed, but that is really annoying, and I'm not playing it if it doesn't work. I'm taking my ball and I'm going home. Chat. Fuck you guys. Joking. I'll see you guys on tomorrow's stream. Fucking shit game. Hey, I didn't get cooked by the market. We didn't have a trade. But yeah, cooked by Geo.